Find the best portable fridge freezer on Amazon and AliExpress. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review top 5 best portable fridge freezer on the market. 1. ACOPOWER LiONCooler X30A Fridge Freezer Review. The ACOPOWER X30A LiONCooler 32-quart portable solar fridge and freezer keeps your food and beverages chilled or cool for comfortable consumption or frozen for maximum preservation. The combination of a highly efficient compressor and fluoride-free insulation cools the 32-quart, 30 liters, interior quickly and keeps it cold for long periods without an excessive load on your electrical system, which is especially useful for RV and solar use. A removable and rechargeable battery can run the compressor for up to 10 hours at refrigerator temperatures or 5 hours on freezer temperatures, with extra batteries available for backup. For your convenience, the large lid is fully removable to give you full access to the interior and can double as a table to hold food, platters, beverages, or portable speakers. And if the speakers or your phone need a charge, there is a USB out. 2. Whynter FMC-350XP Review. This Whynter portable fridge freezer offers premium quality and innovative design to your frozen/refrigerated needs. This freezer is great for RVs, boats, campsites, fishing trips, and truly portable, so you can take your freezer anywhere. All you need is either a standard household 110-volt outlet or a 12-volt power source, like an automotive battery. Whether on a day trip or major expedition, you can easily keep your food and beverages chilled or frozen with this benchtop freezer. The Whynter portable freezers should not to be confused with less effective 12-volt novelty and beverage type coolers. The Whynter portable freezer fridge is a true freezer refrigerator which cools. 4. Evakool TMDZ Travelmate Dual Zone Fridge Review. Evakool TMDZ Travelmate 96-liter Dual Zone Fridge Freezer, 3-year warranty. TMDZ Travelmate, the fridge for people on the move. The TMDZ Travelmate is a stylish yet robust fridge freezer that is a great companion for all your 4-wheel driving and camping adventures. There is a size for every lifestyle, with this series offering 3 sizes ranging from 60 liters to 96 liters. This series is crafted with a polypropylene injection molded cabinet, strong steel handles and smooth metal walls to withstand Australia's harsh environment. They feature a unique bidirectional or completely removable lid for easy access, with a world-class SECOP compressor in combination with a highly efficient